Scrolling through old junk in my attic, I stumbled upon an ancient typewriter buried under a dusty sheet. I hesitated at first, but curiosity got the better of me. As I brushed away the cobwebs, its keys began clicking furiously, all on their own. My heart raced as I read the words forming on the yellowed paper, detailing the final chapter of my life, an ending I hadn't written. The typewriter spelled out my darkest secrets, things even I had buried deep, followed by an ominous date circled in red ink. That date was tomorrow. I tried to change the narrative, but each key I pressed twisted the story into something more sinister, as if the typewriter was alive, possessed with a malevolent will of its own. Panic set in as I realized the machine wasn't just predicting my end, it was orchestrating it. Desperate, I yanked the paper free, but the last line burned into my mind: "You cannot escape here."